TradFi guys, which I completely admit I am, are going to start looking and saying, okay,
Mm.
we kind of got it. Like, okay, Bitcoin is this store value asset. Bitcoin is it. And then what we said to ourselves was these other tokens that have some sort of like actual utility, they're always replaceable, whatever. So we should never really put too much value on them and forget about them. Now, what we're going to see is we're going to see the DeFi ecosystem start building on certain of these, things like where Ethereum becomes the L1
Yep.
and stuff gets built on it, and that's the L2. And we might look at some of these things and say, wow, these things really have potential. And so I think we could be just beginning like a big cycle into quality ex Bitcoin crypto
Yep.
that has been essentially in a bear/consolidation period for a long time. I think this move yesterday could start a move into people saying, okay, I used to think maybe if I'm going to own crypto, I'm just going to own some Bitcoin. Now maybe I want to own some ETH. Now
Yep.
maybe I want to own some Sol. Now because there's going to
Yep.
be stuff being built on this. So I do see this as very positive. And what happens is when you get these treasury companies and you get these other things, and people say, well, why isn't Bitcoin at 180? It's because money that would have traditionally, like TradFi guys like me who said, if I'm going to put money in crypto, it's going into Bitcoin. They're saying, maybe I should put some into Bitcoin, but maybe some into ETH.
Yep.
Maybe some into Sol.